Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off keyboard typing sound in Samsung A33 5G. But as always, before I continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, I'm gonna show you that my typing sound is on. Here I'm gonna try to type something. I'm gonna type something, for example. You can hear that. And yeah, I'm not sure you can hear it, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you the way. Firstly, you have to go to the settings on your phone. I'm gonna open my settings here. And after that, in the settings page, you can see the sounds and vibration option here. So go ahead now. In the sounds and vibrations page, you can scroll it down a bit more until you find system sound or vibration control here, the option, and go ahead if you see it. I'm gonna open mine. And now you will deserve two options, which is sound and vibration. If you want to turn off the sound, you just have to tap the Samsung keyboard in the sound option right here. I'm gonna tap on it. And yeah, it's done. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.